Mohammed Sagar College of Arts and Science. This is a much awaited event in every student's lives. முன்னேறு மகனே முன்னேறு திருமறையோடு இந்நிகழ்வை ஆரம்பிப்போம். திருவிழாவுக்கு வந்திருக்கும் அனைவரையும் வருக வருக என
Most respected Chairman, Board Members, the parent body of this institution and 17 other institutions, yes, sir, Yusuf Sagar, respected Director of Mohammed Sagar College of Arts and Science, and most respected Chief Guest of this function, Abhina Sagar Zawadi, Managing Director of Hidalbi, Bearings Limited, from the management, and the distinguished devotees from the receive the degrees and diplomas from the golden hands of our chief guest. Graduation day is an important day in the life of any student because this day is giving the recognition to the student in the society and he is becoming a graduate and commanding respect. Who have taught them, who are striving for improving the institution and not teachings of everybody, and pray to await once again to suffer its choicest blessings on everybody. With this, for praying for the success of this program, I conclude my speech. Thank you very much.
Today, Honorable Chairman, Trustees, Directors, Honorable Dean, Principal, Professors, and that is something that I would like all students. Already, the parents know very well that they have to push their sons to study, but the girls are busy doing homework around the housework. So what happened is in 2008, they suddenly discovered, because nobody was paying attention.
thank you very much for your courageous speech, ma'am. Now administering the oath by Allah Dr. Major. I present unto you the candidates for the degree in the faculty of Arts and Science in Computer Science who have